Hey yo, what's going on guys? This is Amgad. And I found this gadget on Amazon. I bought it for around 70 US dollars. And they say it's the smallest smartphone in the world, so let's find out. Alright, so let's check the box out. On the box it says 1 gigs of RAM, 8 gigabytes of storage, and the name is Droid Mini Smartphone. It's on black, and yeah, let's see what's inside. Unboxing experience is pleasant, and I can't get it out of the box. I don't know. Shake it a little, right? Alright, let's see. Oh my god. Look at this, bro. Damn. Alright, we'll check the phone later. Let's just see. What do we have here? Accessory, which is a micro USB cable, whatever, and just some. Oh, it comes with a little mini case in the box. Look how small that is, bro. Look how it SIM ejector right here. Paperwork, a screen protector, bro. We don't get this, bro. Nowadays, phones come with no charging brick, and neither this one, but this one at least comes with a free case and a free screen protector. Now let's put all of this away and take a look at the phone itself. The phone itself is mini. Bro, this is too small, bro. What is that? Damn, let's peel the plastic off on here. Nice. Back. Alright, it seems like we only have one camera. That one on the right is just a plastic one. But yeah, look how small that is. Let me compare it to some other phones. Hold on. So that's a Galaxy S9, right? And that's the size of the phone that we have today. I think the display is like 2.5, maybe even 2 inches. I don't know. I'm not sure, but it's too small. Look at my hand, bro. 70 bucks on Amazon. It was 70 bucks. It's crazy. And it got all proximity sensors up there. A selfie. Is that a real camera? I want to make sure, bro. Android is starting. Yeah, it runs Android. Alright, and here we got it. No SIM card installed, but the pixel is... I can definitely see the pixels with my bare eye, but this... It even makes sounds. Yeah, it's a little no, well, yeah. My finger is huge, bro. Like, imagine if like that's two thumbs right here. That's 2 thumbs. All right, let's see if it connects to a Wi-Fi. Yeah, settings, Wi-Fi. Let's turn this all the way on. Alright, so it doesn't connect to the Wi-Fi. It says, and it keeps making these weird sounds. I don't know why, but it doesn't connect to any Wi-Fi network. It's just it says error, so I'm not sure what that is, but yeah. Alright, so the phone finally decides to connect to the Wi-Fi. So I googled up Google. See, oh, it can actually. Can it play videos? Let's see. Well, it gets pretty loud too, so yeah, but these glitches though. I think it's the refresh rate compared to other competitors like Beats, for example. And now let's talk about the sound quality, which is one of the best aspects of these earphones. The sound is clear. Alright, let's check out the camera. All right, let's see. Let's take a photo of this. Oh my god, man, this UI is super old. And you even got a flash. You even had a flashlight. Alright. Can we see the pictures though? Yeah, it's unresponsive, man. I don't know. Can we see the gallery? What? I just took a picture, bro. Alright. Nice. Let's go back. Unresponsiveness. Damn, bro. Alright, it doesn't show the pictures that you got from the thing, but well, I'm actually surprised that it works. I don't know, man. I'm surprised that it works. Alright, so the camera works now, I suppose. Let's just take a photo real quick. But it doesn't save. It took a, I don't know, man. The selfie was fine, like the front camera, but from the back, I don't know why is it here? Oh yeah, it saved it. All right. All right, I'm surprised. And here it is. Can you zoom in? All right. Again, let's just do some size comparison here, because I am impressed, man. Look at that, bro. It's even smaller than an iPhone 4S. That's an old iPhone 4S that I had a few years ago. And that's the size of the phone. Can you see that, bro? And that was it for me in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a solid like. Also subscribe so you don't miss any of my new awesome videos. And make sure you follow me on the social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. All the links are going to be in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the very next video.